Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Go to settings. Now press on chats. If you want to enable WhatsApp saving photos to gallery, you just have to turn on the button of media visibility. That's it. So this is how to enable WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.